guys, welcome to this video. I just wanted to give a little bit of like a back to school update and show you guys a couple of pictures of the kids. I definitely homeschool my kids. Now, one does go to a physical educational location, but that doesn't mean that I don't homeschool him. I definitely homeschool all my kids. I have to. And this is like more than doing homework or something. I have to make sure they're learning, about the Bible. I have to do specific things that my heart tells me to do. So here's some of the materials that we have that make doing all of that a lot easier. The last you guys heard personally from me is that we have moved. You guys know our family dynamics have changed. We lost a couple of the elders in the family and we decided to move. And since we've moved, yes, Cash has started back to school. So I decided on what school that he should go to, and he's there. We've been to the school so much. There's the car ride line business. We did an open house and we did like a family spirit night at his school. So he's fully immersed in his new school. He loves going to school. He loves to learn. He's super intelligent. I put him in some learning camps this summer and he thrived. He loved it. I wanted to do a video on that, but I'm just like so short on time these days. I haven't had time to make that video. Please, I cannot handle it. I definitely found this folder at Dollar Tree, but the backpack, I just almost can't remember because I've been shopping for the kids over the last like 2-3 months. My 1-year-old daughter comes to me and she's like, Mom, I want a backpack. And I thought, let me just listen again. She might repeat it. She's looking deep into my eyes. She looks so serious and excited, and you can see in her little body, she's moving around. She's like pacing back and forth. She's like, Mom, I want a backpack. I want a backpack. I was like, a backpack? Baby, you're 1. Don't do this to me. I am not ready to be boo-hooing, crying over the fact that you want a backpack. Why do you want a backpack? I just can't believe she did that to me. So I got her a backpack, of course. I got a very like affordable one. I went to Dollar Tree and I think that's where I found this backpack. Love all the characters on the backpack and the folder. I think they're all so cute. They're all like really dressed up and girly, and I think that's really how my daughter likes to dress. She likes to like get dressed. That's why she's asking for a backpack. I couldn't believe it. I have this picture of my daughter and my son, my 2 youngest, in the back of the car. She is wearing her new Nikes. Her dad got her these Nikes. He was online buying a bunch of Nikes for the other kids and he got her a pair. I think these are so adorable. They're her size. She's a size 5 right now, and I was like, oh, she should start wearing them right away because kids grow out of their sizes so fast, and she's 1 and she's a size 5. So these cute little Nikes, they kind of remind me of like Halloween type colors, like the purple and the orange, and they're just so colorful. I was like, oh my gosh, she has to wear these. It's the perfect season to inspire even me to get ready for like the holidays coming up and things like that. And they come with the Velcro, so they're easy. All my kids use Velcro shoes. And then my son got these Hot Wheels shoes that you see him wearing. We got these at a store in the mall. I can't remember the name of the store, but they're not a shoe that I've seen everywhere. And of course, my kids love Hot Wheels still. They've been loving Hot Wheels for a few years now. Even though he's 2, he's at the point where he has multiple of his size. He's a size 8. He picks out his own shoes that he wants to wear with his outfit now, which I think is so adorable because it also helps me like mentally prepare like for their birthdays and celebrations. I think, okay, which shoe did he pick? Which toy did he pick? What does he gravitate toward? I'm getting to know him better and what his personal choices are, which I love because I can always do like a themed birthday around something that I've seen them pick out. You know what I mean? He has like these green dinosaur ones. He has these like black and white ones. So yeah, he picks his own shoes now, which I think is so adorable. Most of my kids, I buy their shoes from like Walmart because it's just so easy. I'm always there. So there's a few other materials that I wanted to talk about. I got all these things right here from Ikea. Am I the only one who's been underestimating sleeping on Ikea with like the school supplies and like the crafting materials for kids? I think it might be just me. We know they have the stuffies, they have the toys, they have the bedding and the things that go in the room. But as far as like supplies and crafts and back to school supplies, I didn't know Ikea had markers. Look at this fun pack of markers. I bought 2 packs of these. One of them is already opened and those are like in a drawer in the kitchen or something. You guys, I have so much organizing to do in this house. There's like 3 different browns, a couple of grays. I love that there's like a wide array of colors from the rainbow in here. I only let Cash use these. He's the oldest and he uses them at a table that's good for his height. I also got this paint set for him. I have not, like, I need to dive into this and find out, like, is it just for paper? Is it for other materials? Do I have to mix it with water? I don't know any of those types of answers, but I will find out. I do plan on it. So when the kids are home from school on the weekend, they've got to be doing something, right? And then Cash is at the age where he's getting a little bit more independent and he needs his own space. And he likes to be at a table and he wants to work on stuff by himself. So that's where this comes in. It's just a, you know, it's only his thing. He's the only one that's going to be using paint in my house because I cannot have babies using paint in my house. Not right now. I am not ready. I barely scrub-a-dub-dub the tables that they use right now just to like write on. I'm not about to be scrubbing paint right now. I can't. And also Ikea has like this craft paper. I believe that this is like the background for like frames, like picture frames and stuff. I found it sort of in that area in the store, but I don't care. Cash is going to use it for whatever he wants to use it for. Cut it up, fold it up like origami, use it like construction paper, marker it, color it. I don't care. Paint it. He's going to do whatever he wants with this paper. I just thought it was beautiful and very inspiring for him, so I got it for him. Anyway, moving on. Halloween at Ikea. I don't know what this is, but it looks fun, right? The kids will figure out what they want to do with it. It's not like I have to wait for my 1-year-old to be ready to use it to open it. Marta designed these. Are these stickers? It says you have to be 3-year-old and over to use it. What are these? Stickers or stencils? Maybe it's like stencils. And I don't have my computer to look it up. But whatever it is, my kids are gonna have fun with it. You know what I mean? The images don't look scary. I like that too. It's like, I love the not so scary Halloween stuff that Angie Bellamere does. I like to watch Angie Bellamere on YouTube. I love how these images aren't so scary, you know? This is 8 1/4 by 11 3/4 A4. And then he has his own desk because he loves to do homework. So I got, you know, things that are going to make it more comfortable and ergonomic for him. So I got this little desktop work holder. Like you could put papers here, you could put a notebook here, you could put some sort of tech gadget here if it's flat, and it's just, it bends the product back so you can look at it easier, I think is what this does. And then of course I got like a desk organizer for like pens and erasers and paper clips and stuff, things that he would keep inside of a desk. We have had help with building some of the Ikea products that we have, not just these back to school and craft materials. We also ended up getting some surfaces, some desks in the house from Ikea, and we had someone come and help us build it. So he will be using his own desk very soon. I bought these 2 tables from Amazon for the kids. They love using these. They're a little small, like they're gonna be great for the younger 2 for a lot longer, probably at least another 2 years. But Ash has not grown out of them. He uses them comfortably. I don't see him like knocking his knees or his legs or his shins on them, and he's 5. But next year when he's 6, he's probably not going to want to sit here. We're going to have to figure out something else for him. But like I said, we do have a desk for him, so I'm not really worried about where he'll have a space to work. I'm not worried about that at all. There's lots of surfaces in the house that we have been able to, thank the Lord, acquire and get assembled and just put up everywhere. So wow, I can't believe I'm so happy. Thank God. All right, guys, I'm gonna go take care of myself. For some reason, I started coughing a lot, so I'm gonna go find some cough drops somewhere in the house. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you were inspired to do some homeschooling yourself or just prepare your house for your kids to have something to do that's sort of school-like on the weekend, if you're that sort of mom like I am. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.